Hi guys, today I wanted to show you a very quick and easy way of applying blush using your lipstick. Now, this is not only really convenient because obviously your lipstick is also portable, so you can carry it with you for touch-ups, but it also gives you the choice of a matte finish or a more dewy luminous finish depending on what lipstick you use. And then the other thing it does is it negates the problem of deciding what lipstick to wear with what blush, because if you wear the same lipstick on your lips, it just really pulls the look together. And it's really so simple. So today I'm using a lipstick by MAC, and this is from their Luster Glass range, and it's in the shade Sea Sheer, and it's what I've got on my lips today. It's a beautiful kind of watermelony color, and it's just gorgeous on the cheeks for spring or summer or even going into fall. I really love it. So I'm going to take a few swipes of this onto each cheek. Now obviously you can blend this out with your fingers. I'm going to use a little blush brush today. I'm using this little guy here. I just find that it's a little bit more convenient and just gives me a little bit more precision, but I'm just tapping the blush all over the cheek. And this particular lipstick, and in fact you'll find most lipsticks have great staying power because they do have that little extra something which is in them to adhere to the lips, so it's going to do the same thing to the cheeks. So you probably find that you're not even going to have to touch up throughout the day. So that's just given me a really beautiful little flash of color. Of course, you can build it up. I'm going to go a little bit extra today because I really love this. And because this is a Luster Glass lipstick, it does give me a little bit of a glow, but it's not emphasizing my pores in any way. It's just giving me a beautiful, fresh kind of flush to the cheeks. And you can try this with any lipstick you like. It really works. Guys, I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.